Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing recipe for chicken barbecue pizza. Sweet barbecue sauce, chopped chicken, onions, some cilantro and tons of cheese. A very easy weeknight meal for the entire family, all made in 30 minutes or less. So let's go and see what we need for this yummy pizza. So these are all the things which I'll be using today. I have this pizza dough. For a quick fix, sometimes I use store-bought dough. Then I have this barbecue sauce. You can use any brand. I have some mozzarella cheese. You can use some Gouda cheese as well, but if you don't have that available, only mozzarella would do. Some cooked chicken, onions, and chopped cilantro. So these are all the ingredients which I'll be using today. Let's go and make it happen. So first take a 12-inch pizza tray and arrange your pizza dough on top of that tray. I already shared video tutorial on how to make a pizza dough from scratch and how to assemble on a tray. I'll leave the link down below so you guys can see it in detail if you want to. So right now I'm just arranging my pizza dough on top of my pizza pan. Then take your cooked chicken and mix with barbecue sauce. This is a regular cooked chicken which I put it in saucepan, add some salt and black pepper, and that's it. You can use any leftover rotisserie chicken or any chicken which you have on hand. Just mix with barbecue sauce and then your chicken is done. Keep it on the side for a while and then bring back your pizza dough. Now take your barbecue sauce again and spread some barbecue sauce on top of your prepared pizza dough. Now it depends how much barbecue sauce you want on your pizza. My family doesn't like a very saucy pizza, so I was using little by little, and again it's up to you how much saucy you want your pizza to be, so you can add more or less. And then sprinkle your mozzarella cheese on top of your pizza. As I already mentioned, if you have Gouda cheese, that goes very well with the barbecue sauce and barbecue chicken, but then it's completely optional. If you don't have that or if you don't like that taste, you can make without Gouda cheese as well. So after sprinkling the cheese, I'll just put some chicken on top of it, which you just prepared with barbecue sauce. So just spread the chicken all around your pizza on top of your cheese. Then scatter your sliced onion on top of your chicken, and if you have red onions on hand, they comes out very pretty. And then I sprinkle some chopped cilantro on top of it, and then bake this pizza until your dough is completely cooked and crispy from the edges and your cheese is bubbly from top. Homemade barbecue chicken pizza. The flavors and textures in this pizza are incredible. You have the sweet tang from the barbecue sauce, the meaty chicken, the zesty onion, fresh cilantro, crispy edges, and ultra cheesy mozzarella covering it all. Ditch the delivery guy today and you are eating homemade tonight. If you like this recipe or try it at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. Tag me on Instagram or Twitter or post it on my Facebook page. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I'll try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching.